Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We like to do different things on this channel, so today's topic is fabric lore. Now, when I say lore, I mean it in the sense of something like video game lore. You know, the unofficial backstories and other bits of information that the community around like popular video games like Minecraft, Undertale, Lethal Company, Among Us, right? There's a YouTube channel I like called Game Theory that covers this kind of stuff. Like, where did the Illagers come from in Minecraft? Why are we collecting junk from abandoned moons to sell to some faceless monster in Lethal Company? The important questions in life. So I figured I'd take a stab at this for Microsoft Fabric, the unofficial lore around why we have Microsoft Fabric today. And yes, if you're wondering, this is indeed a published to web Power BI report. And yes, I will make the link available in the description for this video. So let's go. Fabric lore. Once upon a time, there were two siblings. An older sibling, Synapse, with the red hair. A younger sibling, Power BI, with the, of course, yellow hair. And Dad, who is, in this case, Satya, with obviously no hair, because it's Satya. The two siblings didn't get along. You're a punk who is always reinventing the wheel. Why can't you leverage existing technology investments? Said the older sibling. Well, you're an old fuddy-duddy who never wants to try anything new. And besides, you smell, said the younger sibling. They didn't get along at all. Why can't you use multidimensional cubes in MDX? There are decades of engineering behind them. MDX is icky, and you smell. And this went on. What's wrong with paginated reports? Thousands of organizations use them. Grandpa uses paginated reports, and you smell worse than Grandpa. And on. And why data flows? We already have cloud-based data ingest and transformation with Azure Data Factory. Power Query M is superior to your smelly old Azure Data Factory. Smelly. And on. You're a big doo-doo head. You're an even bigger doo-doo head that smells worse than doo-doo. And on. Oh yeah? Well, we're going to implement calculation groups, and you don't even support them. So what? We have integrated third-party external tools like Tabular Editor that do. Until one day, Dad, Power BI is playing with my toys again. They just released data marts to preview. You're a smelly liar. They're clearly called data marts, not data warehouses, so clearly not the same. Enough. Dad has just had it with these two bickering siblings, right? I'm locking you both in this room together until you can learn to get along. Finally, some peace and quiet. Now I can think about more important things like destroying humanity with AI. Marketing is probably right. Copilot is a better name than MS Skynet. And if I'm being honest, Synapse really does kind of smell. The end. And there you have it, folks. The unofficial lore behind why we have Microsoft Fabric today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.